Hello, fellow humans. As a human myself, I usually prefer to watch other humans talk on my phone rather than just seeing a blank image. As a content creator, how do you make face-to-face content that feels natural and organic? Even if you're camera shy, if you follow these 3 tips, I guarantee that you will have a better time making videos. Tip number 1, look into the camera. It sounds self-explanatory, but it is really tempting to just look right into my viewfinder and stare at my beautiful face. But when you're having real-life conversations, you don't do that. You look in the person's eyes. You also want to feel like you're having a conversation with a friend. I'm not putting on my newscaster voice to talk to you right now. I'm just talking to you normally. Before you start filming, it's really good to understand fully what your topic is and do as much research as possible. That way you actually sound like an expert on what you're talking about. Also remember, it's just a video. It's not the end of the world. You can do as many retakes as you want until you find what works for you. Making video content is honestly as hard as you want to make it. Go forth and prosper with these tips that I gave you, and I hope to see some really good videos coming in the future. All right, bye.